Hello friends, myself Rakesh Mawar, working as an assistant professor. I welcome to all in our video lecture series on surveying subject. This subject is in the syllabus of second year civil engineering. In today's lecture, I will just introduce you the basic concept of surveying and the syllabus. And from next lecture, we will start our first unit. In our daily life, we always heard survey word. Survey of any city, survey of any institute, survey of election. So what does it mean? Let's consider one small example. Suppose I have to purchase a new flat. So what will I do? I will do a survey. Means what? First of all, I will visit to number of flat. I will discuss the people who are living in the surrounding area of the flat. I also discuss with the owner of that flat for the price. I will observe the quality of material used and the connectivity of that area with the main area of city. So in short, I will do a survey. Now you get a clear idea what is meant by survey. So in general survey, we ask some question or take interview. But from civil engineering point of view, the survey means to find out the location of that particular point or particular object with respect to the reference point. So survey means a short summary with broad view. From the civil engineering point of view, the definition of surveying is the art of determining the relative position of the different object on the surface of earth by means of direct or indirect measurement of distance, direction and elevation. So a question arises in a mind, why we do a survey? What are the objectives of surveying? So there are three objectives, out of which first one is to prepare a map or which shows the relative position of the object. So what is map and what is plan we will discuss later. Second objective is to establish the boundaries of the land, means boundaries of any farm or boundaries of any plot. Third objective is to select a suitable site for an engineering project, means engineering project like highway or railway. So for construction of highway or railway, we have to first mark the alignment of that highway. So what is alignment? Alignment is nothing but the center line of highway. So for the fixation of that alignment, we have to do a survey. So by doing survey, we can plot a topographical map which shows the topography of the area. The topography means it shows the whether that area is hilly area or valley area or river or forest or village or city. This is one type of topographical map which shows the elevation of different area of India with respect to the mean sea level. By doing a survey, we can plot a cadastral map which shows the boundaries of individual property. In this map, the boundaries of individual properties are shown. By doing survey, we can plot a contour map. So what is contour line? It is a line which is passing through the points of equal elevation. So in this map, we can observe the elevation of this contour line is 100 meter. Elevation of this second contour line is 200 meter. Elevation of this third contour line is 300 meter and so on. So by observing this contour map, we can judge that the elevation of this area is increased towards inside. So it indicates the hilly area. Similarly, by doing a survey, we can plot a military map which is used for military operation. The survey has two primary divisions. First one is plain survey and second one is geodetic survey. When the survey area is small, it means below 250 km square, then the survey is considered as plain survey. So in plain survey, the curvature of earth is not considered. But when the survey area is greater than 250 km square, then the survey considered as geodetic survey. So in geodetic survey, we consider the curvature of Earth. So for doing a survey, we use two principles. First principle is whole to a part. It means always work from whole area to the small area. And second principle is locate a point by at least two measurement. Let us discuss one by one. First principle is whole to a part. So in this diagram, first of all, we have to fix the survey station at the boundaries of the whole area. After doing survey, we fix the new station in between them and again do a survey of small area. So in this way, we do a survey from whole area to the part of area. Second principle is locate a point by at least two measurement. It means suppose we have to find the location of this new point with respect to this to reference point. So as per second principle, for the finding out location of this new point, we have to measure the linear distance and angular measurement or both. So by measuring the linear distance and angular measurement, we can find the location of this new point with respect to this to reference point. In all civil engineering work, we have to do a survey. So this survey is classified as per some criteria. So survey is classified based on the accuracy desired. Second classification is based on the place of the survey. Next classification is based on the instrument used. Fourth classification is based on the purpose of surveying. And last classification is based on the methods of survey. Let us discuss one by one. First classification is based on the accuracy desired. So in that, as per the accuracy, the survey is divided into plane survey and geodetic survey. We already discussed about it. The accuracy in plane survey is less as compared to the geodetic survey, because in geodetic survey we divide the whole area into the number of triangles and use precise instrument as compared to the plane survey. Second classification is based on the instrument use. So for doing survey, we use number of instrument like chain, compass or chain and compass both, leveling, plane table, theodolite, tachometer, aerial photograph and electronic measurement distance. So let us discuss one by one. Generally, the chain is used for linear measurement. We cannot measure the angle by using chain. The length of chain is 20 meter and 30 meter. The chain has two handles and number of link. Second instrument is compass. So this compass is used for measurement of bearing. So what is bearing? Bearing is nothing but the horizontal angle with respect to the meridian. So what is meridian? We will discuss in next lecture. Next instrument is leveling. So auto level and dumpy level is used to finding out the elevation of different point on the surface of earth. This leveling is done for the construction of highway, railway and canal. Next instrument is plane table, which is used for the small area. In plane table survey, we use number of instrument like table, alidade, U-fork, trough compass and spirit level. We will discuss this plane table survey in first unit. Theodolite is used for measurement of horizontal as well as vertical angle. This instrument is also used in tachometer. So in tachometer, by measuring the vertical angle and the three readings on the staff, we can find out the horizontal distance. without using chain or tape. For doing survey of large area, we can use the drone or aeroplane. So in this type of survey, the camera is fixed below the aeroplane or drone and survey is to be done. The advanced equipment in survey is total station. In total station, we use the laser for measurement of distance and angle. Third classification is based on the place of survey. There are three types. Land survey, in that the survey is done on the ground. Next classification is hydrographic survey, in that the survey is done over the water bodies like sea, river. And third one is aerial survey. So this type of survey is done from the space. Next classification is based on the purpose of survey, like engineering survey, defense survey, geological survey, geographical survey, mine survey, archaeological survey, route survey, reconnaissance survey, preliminary survey, control survey, and location survey. So what is engineering survey? This type of survey is done for the engineering project like construction of highway, railway, canal, bridge. Defense survey is done for the military operation. Geological survey is done to finding out the strata below the earth surface. Geographical survey is done for finding out the nature of the ground surface. For the finding out minerals, we will do a mine survey. For finding out the archaeological sites, the archaeological survey is to be done. For construction of highway, railway and canal, the route survey is to be done. The reconnaissance survey is to be done for overlook the area over which the construction is to be done. The preliminary survey is to be done for taking readings. Control survey is to be done for the fixation of benchmark. And location survey is to be done to finding out the location of any particular object. Next classification is based on the methods of survey. If the survey area is large, then that area is divided into the number of triangles. So it is called as triangulation survey. And if the area is small, like any plot, then we use the close traverse. It means the first and last point are meet to each other. But in open traverse, the first and last point cannot meet to each other. This type of open traverse survey is to be done for river survey or for survey of highway. We already discussed by doing survey we can plot, map and plan. So what is map, what is plan? Let us discuss. Let us see. So a plan is a detailed drawing of small area, but a map is a graphical representation of large area. For plotting a plan, we use the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter or less than 10 meter because the area is small. In the map, a area is very large, so we use a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter or greater than 100 meter. Plan shows the length and breadth only, but a map can show the important feature of the area. In plan, only horizontal dimensions are mentioned, whereas in map, horizontal as well as vertical dimensions are mentioned. So these are the some pictures of map and plan. A map is plot for whole world or part of world, and plan is plot for a small area. So for plotting map and plan, we use the scale. So what is mean by scale? A scale is the ratio of distance between 2 points on the map to the distance between same points on the ground. It means Suppose the distance between two points on the ground is 100 meter. So we cannot plot line of length 100 meter on the page. So we convert this 100 meter into 10 centimeter. That means the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. It means 1 centimeter on the sheet is equal to 10 meter on the ground. It is nothing but the scale. But when the scale has the same unit on both sides, then it called as a representative fraction. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here the scale has same unit on both sides. Then it is called as a representative fraction, 1:100. Similarly, 1 meter is equal to 10 meter. Okay. Now we discuss about the syllabus of our subject. So this subject has 4 plus 1 total 5 credit. After learning this subject, there is one online examination for 50 marks and one end semester exam for 50 marks. This subject also have a practical of 50 marks. There is 4 hours per week for theory lecture and 2 hours per week for practicals. Survey subject is divided into 6 units. So first unit is on compass and plane table survey. In this unit, we will study about the prismatic compass and its use and the plane table survey methods. Second unit includes leveling and contouring. In this unit, we will study about the leveling and the characteristic of contouring. Third unit is on theodolite surveying. So in this unit, we learn about the theodolite instrument and its use. Next unit contains tachymetry and electronic measurement techniques. In this unit, we studied about the tachymeter and the totostation. Fifth unit is on the curve. In this unit, we will study different types of curve and the designing of curve. Our last unit includes construction survey and space-based positioning system. In this unit, we will study the methods of survey for the construction work and the some part of advanced survey is on space-based positioning system. It means GPS. This subject is also have a practical. So each practical is based on each unit. These are some references. So a question arises in a mind, why we learn this subject? What are the objective? So first objective is to learn the basic of plane surveying and different type of instrument used for plane surveying. Also to learn different methods of surveying and to understand the advancement in plane surveying such as electronic instrument. Students are able to operate and use surveying instrument, draw plan or map of the existing permanent features on the ground, and students will able to classify the ground features from the map or plan. After learning this subject, student will be able to analyze temporary adjustment and check permanent adjustment of the theodolite. So in today's lecture, we discuss about the what is meant by survey, what are the objectives, what are the uses of survey, what are the principles, classification of survey, difference between map and plan, the concept of scale and the syllabus. So from next lecture, we will start our first unit, which is on compass and plane table survey. Thank you.